Hello, welcome to another new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today I will discuss some more MCQs with the answers. Platelet diluting fluid is option A, Heim's fluid, option B, Dungar's fluid, option C, Toyson's fluid, option D, 1% ammonium oxalate. The right answer is option D, 1% ammonium oxalate. Next question. Insulin is produced by option A, delta cells, option B, alpha cells, option C, gamma cells, option D, beta cells. The right answer is option D, beta cells. Next question. Fouquet reagent contains option A, hydrochloric acid, option B, trichloroacetic acid, option C, sulfuric acid, option D, nitric acid. The right answer is option B, trichloroacetic acid. Next question. CPD preserve blood for option A, 28 days, option B, 35 days, option C, 21 days, option D, 31 days. The correct answer is option C, 21 days. Next question. Selenite F broth is an example of option A, enriched media, option B, enrichment media, option C, indicator media, and option D, sugar media. Selenite F broth is an example of enrichment media because it is liquid media. Enrichment media are always liquid in nature and enriched media are solid. Next question. Germ tube test is done for option A, Candida albicans, option B, H. capsulatum, option C, neoformans, and option D, nocardia. The right answer is option A, Candida albicans. Question number 7. Red cells with inorganic iron contain granules are option A, macrocyte, option B, microcyte, option C, siderocyte, option D, leptocyte. The right answer is option C, siderocyte. Next question. Hypothyroidism in adults results in option A, Addison's disease, option B, tetany, option C, myxedema, and option D, cretinism. The right answer is option C, myxedema. Question number 9. Vandenberg reaction is shown by option A, bilirubin, option B, urea, option C, protein, and option D, creatinine. The right answer is option A, bilirubin. Next question. Microorganisms need high carbon dioxide concentration for their growth. Option A, psychrophilic, option B, halophilic, option C, carboxyphilic, and option D, mesophilic. The right answer is option C, carboxyphilic. Question number 11. In spectrophotometer, monochromator used is option A, diffraction grating, option B, filter, option C, photocell, option D, slit. The correct answer is option B, filter. Question number 12. Commonly used cytological fixative is option A, formaldehyde, option B, isopropyl alcohol, option C, Zenker's fluid, option D, ether-ethanol mixture. The right answer is option D, ether-ethanol mixture. Question number 13. Ability of microscope to distinguish two near points as separate entities is option A, magnification, option B, resolving power, option C, working distance, option D, numerical aperture. The right answer is option B, resolving power. Question number 14. Belgium black vein is an example for option A, stroke, option B, hoe, option C, abrasive, option D, adhesive. The right answer is option B, hoe. Fixative used for electron microscope, option A, glutaraldehyde, option B, formalin, option C, picric acid, option D, potassium dichromate. The right answer is option A, glutaraldehyde. Question number 16. Dash is responsible for tetanus. Option A, tetanolysin, option B, alpha toxin, option C, beta toxin, option D, tetanospasmin. The right answer is option D, tetanospasmin. Question number 17. Normal reticulocyte count in infants. Option A 2 to 6%, option B 0.2 to 2%, option C 0.5 to 4%, option D 2 to 4%. The right answer is option A 2 to 6%. In vitro sensitization of red cells is detected by option A direct Coombs test, option B indirect Coombs test, option C cross matching, option D blood grouping. The right answer is option A direct Coombs test. Next question. Hydatid disease is caused by option A dog tapeworm, option B beef tapeworm, option C dwarf tapeworm, option D pork tapeworm. The right answer is option A dog tapeworm. Question number 20. Bronze diabetes is related to option A iron, option B glucose, option C insulin, option D iodine. The right answer is option A iron. Question number 21. Diacetyl monoxamine method is used for the estimation of option A albumin, option B urea, option C cholesterol, option D protein. The right answer is option B urea. Next question, question number 22. Quick method is done for option A PT, option B BT, option C CT, option D clot reaction time. The right answer is option A PT. Next question, question number 23. Oversecretion of growth hormone in adults leads to option A gigantism, option B dwarfism, option C Cushing syndrome, and option D acromegaly. The right answer is option D acromegaly. Next question, question number 24. Normal platelet count is option A 1.5 to 4 lakh per millimeter cube of blood, option B 4 to 6 million per mm cube of blood, that means cubic millimeter of blood, option C 5,000 to 11,000 cells per cubic millimeter of blood, and option D 4 to 6 lakhs per cubic millimeter of blood. Option A is the correct answer, 1.5 to 4 lakhs per cubic millimeter of blood. Question number 25. Normal value of MCV is option A 80 to 96 FL, option B 27 to 32%, option C 27 to 32 FL, and option D 80 to 96%. Correct answer is option A 80 to 96 FL. Question number 26. Reproducibility of a test is option A accuracy, option B specificity, option C precision, option D sensitivity. The right answer is option C precision. Question number 27. Selective medium of Staphylococcus is option A TCBS, option B Ludlam's medium, option C BA with gentamicin, and option D Thayer-Martin medium. The right answer is option B Ludlam's medium. Question number 28. Rose-Waller test is an example for option A agglutination, option B passive agglutination, option C precipitation, and option D neutralization. The right answer is option A agglutination. Bradshaw's test is done for the detection of option A urine bilirubin, option B Bence-Jones protein, option C CSF globulin, and option D CSF chloride. Right answer is option B Bence-Jones protein. Question number 30. Pearl's Prussian blue reaction is done for the demonstration of option A elastin, option B iron, option C collagen, and option D reticulin. The right answer is option B iron. Next question, question number 31. Swarming growth is produced by which of the following bacteria? Option A Staphylococci, option B Klebsiella, option C Proteus, and option D Salmonella. The right answer is option C Proteus. Question number 32. An endogenous clearance test is option A diodrust clearance, option B urea clearance, option C insulin clearance, and option D none of the above. The right answer is option B urea clearance. Question number 33. Infection without clinical symptoms is option A nosocomial infection, option B primary infection, option C subclinical infection, option D cross infection. The right answer is option C subclinical infection. Question number 34. Brittain-Stokes method is related to option A antibiotic sensitivity test, option B motility test, option C anaerobic culture, option D antigen antibody reaction. The right answer is option A antibiotic sensitivity test. Question number 35. Halden's method of hemoglobin estimation is based on option A visual colorimetry, option B physical method, option C chemical method, option D none of the above. The right answer is option A visual colorimetry. Question number 36. Working distance of high power objective is option A 0.15 to 0.2 mm, option B 5 to 6 mm, option C 0.3 to 1.2 mm, and option D 2 to 3 mm. The right answer is option A 0.15 to 0.2 mm. Question number 37. Reaction between soluble antigen and specific antibody is option A precipitation, option B agglutination, option C passive agglutination, and option D neutralization. The right answer is option B agglutination. Question number 38. Deficiency of factor 9 results in option A hemophilia, option hemophilia A, option B hemophilia B, option C Christmas disease, and option D none of the above. The right answer is option B hemophilia B. Question number 39. Major cross matching is done between option A donor cell and patient serum, option B patient cell and donor serum, option C donor cell and Coombs serum, option D patient cell and Coombs serum. The right answer is option A donor cell and patient serum. Question number 40. Pandy's reagent contains option A glycerol, option B phenol, option C xylol, option D methanol. The right answer is option B phenol. Question number 41. Sucrose contains option A 2 glucose unit, option B glucose and fructose, option C 2 fructose units, option D glucose and galactose. The right answer is option B glucose and fructose. Question number 42. Inspissation comes under option A dry heat, option B moist heat below 100 degrees Celsius, option C moist heat at 100 degrees Celsius, option D moist heat above 100 degrees Celsius. The right answer is option A dry heat. Question number 43. Coffin lead shaped crystals seen in urine are option A calcium oxalate, option B calcium carbonate, option C tyrosine, option D none of the above. The right answer is option D none of the above. Question number 44. Position given after lumbar puncture, option A prone position, option B supine position, option C sideline knee, option D side lateral. The right answer is option C sideline knee. Question number 45. An example for adhesive is option A DPX, option B alcohol, option C starch paste, and option D glycerol. The right answer is option C starch paste. Starch paste is the correct answer. Question number 46. Tetramethyl paraphenyl diamine hydrochloride is option A catalase reagent, option B oxidase reagent, option C Ehrlich reagent, option D Rotheras reagent. The right answer is option B oxidase reagent. Question number 47. Tungstic acid is an example of option A, protein precipitant, option B, buffer, option C, oxidizing agent, option D, indicator. The right answer is option A, protein precipitant. Question number 48. Reagent used in specific gravity method of hemoglobin estimation is option A, sodium metabisulfite, option B, sodium chloride, option C, copper sulfate, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, copper sulfate. Question number 49. Anticoagulant for ESR determination by Westergren method is option A, heparin, option B, EDTA, option C, oxalate mixture, and option D, sodium citrate. The right answer is option D, sodium citrate. Question number 50. Which of the following is a biological indicator used in moist heat sterilization? That means in autoclave. Which of the following indicator is used? Option A, Bacillus pumilus, option B, Bacillus subtilis, option C, Bacillus stearothermophilus, and option D, Clostridium botulism. The right answer is option C, Bacillus stearothermophilus. Question number 51. Arrange the following steps of phlebotomy in correct order. Option A, preparation of area, option B, confirmation of the tests, option C, PPE ensured, and option D, patient identification. And last is selection of vein. So which of the following is in the correct order? The right answer is option C. That means first, patient identification, second, confirmation of tests, third, PPE ensured, fourth, selection of vein, and fifth, preparation of the area. Question number 52. Transducted refer to the fluid which passes through capillary walls. Fluid that passes through the capillary wall is known as transudate. Is it true or false? Options are option A, true, option B, false. The right answer is option A, true. Question number 53. Exudate are the fluids accumulated in a cavity after passing through the vessel walls of adjoining tissues or passing out of the pus or serum. It is true or false? It is true. Right answer is option A. Next question, question number 54. CSF is contained in the cavity surrounds the brain and in the skull and the spinal cord of the spinal column. It is true or false? It is true. CSF is present in brain and in the spinal cord. So it is true. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 55. What are the abnormal constituents in body fluid? Option number 1, clear. Option B, number 2, cloudy. Number 3, yellow to red color. Number 4, specific gravity less than 1.018. Number 5, cell count, high count. Number 6, protein greater than 3%. Number 7, glucose may be very low. Number 8, bacteria may be present. So according to the abnormality, the option B is the correct answer. That means first is number 8, bacteria may be present. Second is number 3, yellow to red color. Third, number 5, high cell count. Fourth, 5, then number 7, glucose may be very low. Next, number 2, that means cloudy. That is the correct sequence. Question number 56. Select the best answer from the probable answers given below. Number 1, fundamental units of protein are option D, option A, organic compound, option B, fatty acids, option C, glucose, and option D, amino acids. Here the right answer is option D, amino acid. Amino acid is the basic component or fundamental unit of protein. Question number 57. Proteins are the only source of dash in the body. option A hydrogen, option B oxygen, option C nitrogen, and option D carbon. The right answer is option C nitrogen. Question number 58. In proteins, amino acids are linked by option A disulfide bond, option B peptide bond, option C ester bond, option D coaxial bond. The right answer is option B peptide bond. Question number 59. Major end product of nitrogen catabolism is option A ammonia, option B urea, option C creatine, option D glucose. The right answer is option B urea. Question number 60. Daily excretion of urea is option A 5 to 10 gram, option B 20 to 30 gram, option C 80 to 100 gram, option D 40 to 75 gram. The right answer is option B 20 to 30 gram. Question number 61. The first step in urea cycle is the formation of option A ornithine, option B citrulline, option C carbamyl phosphate, option D arginosuccinate. The right answer is option C carbamyl phosphate. Question number 62. The normal level of urea in blood is option A 10 to 20 milligram per deciliter, option B 20 to 60 milligram per deciliter, option C 15 to 40 milligram per deciliter, and option D 60 to 100 milligram per deciliter. The right answer is option C 15 to 40 milligram per deciliter. Question number 63. The group of enzymes that catalyze the transamination reaction are known as option A arginosuccinate, option B transaminase, option C transmethylase, option D transferase. The right answer is option B transaminase. Question number 64. What are the steps you will undertake while installing the new equipment in a laboratory? Number 1 validation, number 2 installation, number 3 procurement, option number 4 maintenance, number 5 operation. These are the options, and out of these options option B is correct. That means the sequence is first procurement, then installation, then operation, and then validation, at last maintenance. Question number 65. What do you mean by SOP? Option A standard opening practice, option B standard operating procedure, option C standard oscillation protocol, option D standing operation practice. The right answer is option B standard operating procedure. Question number 66. Glycogenesis means option A conversion of glycogen to glucose, option B glucose to glycogen, option C conversion of fat to glucose, and option D conversion of protein to glucose. The right answer is option B conversion of glucose to glycogen. Question number 67. On a carbohydrate rich diet, liver may contain as much as dash gram of glycogen. Options are 1.2 gram, option A, option B 2.5 gram percent, option C 5 gram percent, option D 10 gram percent. The right answer is option C 5 gram percent. Question number 68. Normal fasting true blood sugar concentration is option A 60 to 100 milligram per deciliter, option B 80 to 120 milligram per deciliter, option C 60 to 40 milligram per deciliter, and option D 120 to 150 milligram per deciliter. The right answer is option A 60 to 110 milligram per deciliter. Question number 69. The carbohydrate which is the major source of cellular energy is option A maltose, option B galactose, option C starch, option D glucose. The right answer is option D glucose. Glucose is the main source of energy. Question number 70. Hyperglycemia is not commonly encountered in Option A, liver disease. Option B, kidney disease. Option C, diabetes. Option D, pancreatic disease. The right answer is option B, kidney disease. Question number 71. Microparasites are option A, nematodes. Option B, trematodes. Option C, cystodes. Option D, protozoa. The right answer is option D, protozoa. Question number 72. Protozoa belong to kingdom. Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, Plantae. Option D, Animalia. The right answer is option B, Protista. Question number 73. Bromocresol green method is used for the estimation of option A, serum protein. Option B, serum albumin. Option C, blood sugar. And option D, serum uric acid. The right answer is serum albumin. Bromocresol green is used to assess serum albumin. Question number 74. FNAC is used for. Options are option A, cytological examination. Option B, histopathological examination. Option C, bone marrow examination. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option A, cytological examination. Question number 75. Dysuria means option A, frequent urination. Option B, no urination. Option C, painful or difficult urination. Option D, none of these. Right answer is option C, painful or difficult urination. Question number 76. Tachycardia means option A, abnormally slow heart rate. Option B, abnormally rapid heart rate. Option C, high systolic pressure. Option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, that is abnormally rapid heart rate. Question number 77. Which is the example of weak alkalis? Option A, sodium carbonate. Option B, calcium hydroxide. Option C, sulfuric acid. Option D, none of these. The right answer is option A, sodium carbonate. Question number 78. What is the normal range of blood sugar in human body? Option A, 80 to 130 mg per dl. Option B, 90 to 140 mg per dl. Option C, 60 to 120 mg per dl. And option D, 70 to 110 mg per dl. The right answer is option D, that is 70 to 110 milligram per deciliter. Question number 79. Normal pH of urine is option A, 6 to 7.5. Option B, 4.8 to 7.5. Option C, 3.5 to 6. Option D, 5 to 7. The right answer is option B, 4.8 to 7.5. Next question. Which cells is the type of granulocytes? Option A, monocyte. Option B, lymphocyte. Option C, eosinophil. Option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these. Next question. Which media is the type of transport media? Option A, Carry-Blair media. Option B, nutrient agar. Option C, McConaughey agar. Option D, chocolate agar. The right answer is option A, Carry-Blair medium. Question number 82. Widal test is used for. Option A, to detect tuberculosis. Option B, detection of Salmonella typhi. Option C, detection of Balantidium coli. And option D, detection of syphilis. Right answer is option B, detection of Salmonella typhi. Question number 83. Which is the site of red blood cell poiesis of fetus? Option A, bone marrow. Option B, yolk sac. Option C, liver. Option D, spleen. The right answer is option B, yolk sac. For fetus, RBC is destroyed or destructed in yolk sac. Question number 84. What is the diameter of erythrocyte of blood? Option A, 6 mm. Option B, 5.5 mm. Option C, 7.5 mm. Option D, none of these. The right answer is none of these. Maltose is a type of. Option A, disaccharide. Option B, trisaccharide. Option C, tetrasaccharide. Option D, polysaccharide. Right answer is option A, disaccharide. Question number 86. Heparin is a type of. Option A, carbohydrate. Option B, vitamin. Option C, anticoagulant. And option D, protein. The right answer is option C, anticoagulant. Question number 87. The term thrombocytopenia is related to. Option A, leukocytes. Option B, erythrocytes. Option C, platelets. And option D, all of these. The right answer is option C, platelet. Question number 88. The term leukocytosis is related to option A, increase of thrombocytes, option B, increase of leukocytes in blood, option C, increase of erythrocytes in blood, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option B, increase of leukocytes in blood. Question number 89. The term leukemia is used for option A, increase the number of abnormal WBC in blood, option B, increase the number of normal WBC in blood, option C, increase the number of platelets in blood, and option D, increase the number of erythrocytes in blood. The right answer is option A, increase the number of abnormal WBC in blood. The test UPT is used for option A, pregnancy test, option B, bile salt test, option C, bile pigment test, option D, urine sugar test. The right answer is option A, pregnancy test. UPT means urine pregnancy test. Question number 91. Organelles of locomotion in Balantidium coli is option A, flagella, option B, pseudopodia, option C, cilia, option D, fimbri. The right answer is option C, cilia. Question number 92. Which is the effective form of the malaria parasite? Option A, oocyst, option B, sporozoid, option C, bradyzoid, option C, tachyzoid. Right answer is option B, sporozoid. Question number 93. All of the following parasites may cause iron deficiency anemia except option A, Ancylostoma duodenal, option B, Diphylloborthium latum, option C, Trichuria trichuria, and option D, Necator americanus. Right answer is option C, Trichuris trichuria. Question number 94. Diarrhea in AIDS patient may be caused by option A, Cryptosporidium parvum, option B, Microsporidia, option C, Isospora belli, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 95. Polyvinyl alcohol is especially suitable for preservation of stool sample for option A, parasitic cyst, option B, trophozoite stage, option C, helminthic egg, and option D, helminthic larvae. The right answer is option B, trophozoite stage. Question number 96. Stoll's method is used for option A, determining the number of helminthic eggs in fishes, option B, determination of Cryptosporidium cysts, oocyst in fishes, option C, concentrating microfilaria in blood, option D, staining of lymph node smear for Leishmania donovani. The correct answer is option A, determining the number of helminthic eggs in fishes. Question number 97. Which protein is the type of fibrous protein? Option A, collagen, option B, albumin, option C, protamines, option D, histones. The right answer is option A, collagen. Question number 98. Which is the example of weak acid? Option A, ammonium hydroxide, option B, acetic acid, option C, calcium hydroxide, option D, sodium carbonate. The right answer is option B, acetic acid. Question number 99. HCT is related to option A, hematology, option B, biochemistry, option C, histopathology, option D, none of these. The right answer is option A, hematology. HCT, the full form of HCT is hematocrit. So it is related to hematology. The final question, question number 100. Acid fast bacilli contains which color? Option A, purple, option B, pink, option C, red, option D, green. The right answer is option C, that is red.